Hey girl, let me guess. You're here because those annoying little blackheads are overstaying their welcome, right? I feel you. And trust me, you're not alone. Blackheads are so frustrating, but the good news is that you don't need fancy products or expensive treatments to get rid of them. You can totally do it at home naturally in just 7 days. This guide is for all skin types, whether your skin is dry, oily, or somewhere in between. By the end of this journey, you'll have smoother, clearer, and more confident skin. So grab your mirror, a notebook to jot down these steps if you want, and let's get started on your blackhead-free skin journey. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, I want you to know a couple of things. Consistency is everything. If you skip steps or don't follow the plan, you won't get the results you're looking for. Your skin is unique, girl. If something doesn't feel right, like it stings or causes redness, stop and try another method. Your skin deserves kindness, not punishment. Now that we've set the tone, let's break it all down, day by day. Chapter 1. What are blackheads? Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about what blackheads actually are. Understanding the problem makes it so much easier to fix it, right? Blackheads are a type of acne caused by clogged pores. Every pore on your face is like a little opening, and inside each one is a hair follicle and sebaceous gland. These glands produce sebum, which is basically oil that keeps your skin soft and hydrated. But sometimes, these pores get clogged with a mix of oil, dead skin cells, and dirt. When this clog is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns black, which is why it's called a blackhead. Here's the thing, blackheads aren't caused by dirt, so scrubbing your face super hard won't fix the issue. In fact, it might make it worse by irritating your skin and causing more oil production. They love to pop up in areas that produce the most oil, like your T-zone, your forehead, nose, and chin. But they can also show up on your cheeks or even your back if you're not careful. Chapter 2. Day 1. Cleanse and prep your skin. Day 1 is all about getting your skin ready. We're laying the foundation for all the good stuff we'll be doing over the next week. Think of it like a fresh start for your skin. Step 1. Wash your face. The first step to clear skin is always cleansing. Use a gentle face wash, preferably one that's sulfate-free and designed for your skin type. Here's what to look for. Oily skin. Look for a cleanser with salicylic acid. It helps dissolve oil and unclog pores. Dry skin. Use something hydrating with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or aloe vera. Sensitive skin. Go for fragrance-free, hypoallergenic cleansers with calming ingredients like chamomile or oat extract. When you wash your face, don't rush. Spend at least 60 seconds massaging the cleanser into your skin. This ensures it removes dirt, oil, and makeup effectively. Rinse with lukewarm water, not hot water, because hot water can strip your skin and cause more oil production. Step 2. Steam your face. Steaming is like giving your skin a mini spa day. It helps open up your pores, making it easier to clean them out. You can do this right at home with just a bowl of hot water and a towel. Here's what to do. Boil some water and pour it into a medium-sized bowl. Sit down in front of the bowl, leaning your face over it. Drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. Close your eyes and relax for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can listen to your favorite playlist, meditate, or even scroll through TikTok while you steam. This step softens the buildup inside your pores, which is super important for removing blackheads. If you want to level up your steaming game, add a few drops of essential oil like tea tree or lavender to the water. Tea tree oil helps fight bacteria, while lavender is calming. Step 3. Exfoliate gently. Once your pores are open, it's time to exfoliate. But listen, we're not going to use anything harsh here. Over-exfoliating can make your skin dry and irritated, which will only cause more problems. Instead, try this DIY exfoliator. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey. Add a few drops of lemon juice if your skin isn't sensitive. The lemon acts as a natural astringent. Gently apply the mixture to your skin, using small, circular motions. Focus on your nose, chin, and any other areas where blackheads are most noticeable. Take your time with this step, don't rush. After about 2 to 3 minutes of gentle scrubbing, rinse your face with lukewarm water. Step 4. Moisturize. Finish off day 1 with a lightweight moisturizer. Hydration is key to keeping your skin balanced and healthy. If you skip this step, your skin might overcompensate by producing even more oil, which is the last thing we want. Look for a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Oily skin. Use a gel-based, oil-free moisturizer. Dry skin, go for a rich cream with hydrating ingredients like ceramides. Combination skin, a lightweight lotion will do the trick. Chapter 3, Day 2, Detox with a mask. Now that your skin is prepped, it's time to pull out the impurities. Masks are a lifesaver when it comes to clearing clogged pores and getting rid of blackheads. Step 1, make a DIY clay mask. You don't need to spend a ton of money on fancy masks. You can make your own at home. Clay masks are amazing because they literally draw out impurities from your skin. For this, you'll need bentonite or kaolin clay. Here's how to make it. Mix 1 tablespoon of clay with water or apple cider vinegar until it forms a smooth paste. Optional, add a pinch of activated charcoal for an extra detoxifying boost. Apply the mask evenly across your face, focusing on the areas where blackheads are most common: your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. Avoid the delicate skin around your eyes and mouth, as clay can be a bit drying. Step 2, let it dry. Once the mask is on, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, it will tighten as it dries, which means it's working to pull out all that dirt and oil from your pores. While you wait, treat yourself to some self-care. Maybe write in your journal, sip on some tea, or even do a little stretching. Just don't let the mask dry completely to the point where it cracks. That can actually irritate your skin. If you notice it starting to dry too much, rinse it off. Step 3, rinse and moisturize. After 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Use a soft washcloth to help gently remove any leftover residue. Follow up with a hydrating serum or your go-to moisturizer. Hydrating your skin after masking is non-negotiable, girl. Your skin will thank you for it. Step 4, hydrate your body. Remember, glowing skin starts from the inside out. Drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated. Staying hydrated also helps flush out toxins that contribute to clogged pores. Chapter 3, Day 3, Targeted Treatment. All right, girl, it's Day 3, and we're stepping it up a notch. Your skin is prepped and detoxed, so now it's time to target those blackheads directly. This day focuses on spot treatments and active ingredients to work their magic on those stubborn little dots. Step 1, use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural powerhouse when it comes to fighting blackheads. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and super effective at reducing clogged pores. But since it's strong, you'll need to dilute it. Here's how. Mix 1 drop of tea tree oil with 4 to 5 drops of water. Dip a cotton swab into the mixture and dab it directly onto the areas with blackheads, like your nose and chin. Let it sit for a few minutes, then apply your moisturizer as usual. This step helps kill bacteria and reduce inflammation around your blackheads. Step 2, incorporate niacinamide. Optional. If you've got access to niacinamide serum, today's the perfect day to use it. This ingredient helps regulate oil production and shrink the appearance of pores, making it harder for blackheads to form. Apply a few drops of niacinamide serum after cleansing your face and before moisturizing. Consistency with niacinamide can make a big difference over time. Step 3, don't forget to moisturize. Even though we're focusing on targeted treatments, hydration is still a priority. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin happy. Chapter 4, Day 4, Gentle Exfoliation. By now, your skin is starting to feel fresher and clearer, but we're not done yet. Today, we're going to gently exfoliate again. This time, we're using a calming DIY oatmeal scrub. Step 1, make an oatmeal scrub. Here's what you'll need: 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix these ingredients together until they form a paste. Oatmeal is a natural exfoliator that removes dead skin without irritating your skin. Yogurt has lactic acid, which gently dissolves dead skin cells, while honey hydrates and soothes. Step 2, exfoliate your skin. Apply the scrub to your face, focusing on the areas where blackheads are most noticeable. Use gentle, circular motions. No scrubbing too hard. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes massaging the scrub into your skin, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Step 3, tone your skin. After exfoliating, it's a great time to use a toner to tighten your pores. Choose a toner with witch hazel or rose water. Witch hazel helps remove any leftover dirt or oil, while rose water soothes and hydrates. Apply the toner using a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face. Step 4. Hydrate again? Follow up with your moisturizer to lock in hydration. If your skin feels a bit sensitive after exfoliating, you can use aloe vera gel instead of a regular moisturizer. Chapter 5. Day 5. Hydration and repair. By day 5, your skin is starting to look a lot better. But to maintain that progress, we need to focus on hydration and repair today. Step 1. Aloe vera gel mask. Aloe vera is a skin savior. It's calming, hydrating, and helps repair the skin barrier. If you have fresh aloe vera leaves, that's the best option. If not, go for a store-bought gel that's 100% pure and free of added fragrances. Apply a thick layer of aloe vera gel all over your face. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. This mask will leave your skin feeling super refreshed and hydrated. Step 2. Focus on nighttime skincare tonight. Let's double down on your nighttime routine. After cleansing your face, apply a hydrating serum or essence. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Nighttime is when your skin does most of its repairing, so don't skip this step. Chapter 6. Day 6. Final exfoliation. Today is your last exfoliation day of the week, and we're keeping it simple. The goal is to remove any lingering buildup without overdoing it. Step 1. Baking soda paste. This DIY exfoliator is super easy to make. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste. Apply it to your skin, focusing on blackhead-prone areas like your nose and chin. Gently massage in small circles for 1 to 2 minutes. Baking soda helps balance your skin's pH and gently removes dead skin cells. Step 2. Rinse and tone. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow up with your toner. By now, your pores should be looking a lot clearer. Step 3. Moisturize. As always, finish with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. If you feel like your skin is a little dry after the baking soda scrub, use a heavier moisturizer tonight. Chapter 7. Day 7. Seal the deal, girl. It's day 7. You made it. Today, we're locking in all the progress you've made and setting your skin up for success moving forward. Step 1. Tone your skin. Start your day by cleansing your face and using a toner to tighten your pores. This step is essential because tighter pores mean fewer blackheads in the future. Step 2. Hydrate and protect. Apply your moisturizer as usual, and don't forget SPF. Yes, even if you're staying indoors, sunscreen protects your skin from damage and helps maintain the results you've worked so hard for this week. Step 3. Treat yourself to a sheet mask. As an optional step, treat your skin to a sheet mask. Choose one with hydrating or soothing ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, or green tea. This is the perfect way to celebrate your 7-day journey. Chapter 8. Final tips to keep blackheads away. Congratulations, girl! Your skin is looking fresher, clearer, and more radiant. But we're not stopping here. Let's make sure those blackheads don't come back. Tip 1. Keep up your routine. Skincare is all about consistency. Make cleansing, exfoliating, and hydrating a regular part of your routine. Even after this 7-day plan, aim to exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week and mask at least once. Tip 2. Avoid picking at your face. I know it's tempting, but don't pick at your skin. This can lead to scarring and more blackheads. If you feel the urge, remind yourself of all the hard work you've put in. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water every day. Hydrated skin starts from the inside out, and drinking water helps flush out toxins that can clog your pores. Tip 4. Keep your pillowcase clean. Your pillowcase collects dirt, oil, and bacteria, which can transfer to your skin while you sleep. Wash your pillowcases at least once a week to keep your skin clear. Tip 5. Use non-comedogenic products. When choosing skincare and makeup products, look for labels that say non-comedogenic. These products won't clog your pores, reducing the chances of blackheads. All right, girl, that's it. You've made it through the full 7-day routine, and your skin is looking so much better. Keep up the good work, stay consistent, and don't forget to give yourself some love for taking care of your skin. Thanks for watching or listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Bye, girl!